learning all the tricks. Dad Riffs.
Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the next little fill in classical gas. Alright, so this is what you got so far. Alright, so that's the fill that I'm talking about. So that's the first one. The second one sounds like this. You actually do a hammer on with your middle finger on the D string on the second fret, and you hit the A string first, so it goes. And then you hit the G string. And then you actually pluck the A and the D string and do the hammer on again. But you pluck them at the same time this time. And then you hit the G string. And then you hit the D string after that to end it. These fingers are on the second fret here. So it sounds like this. And he does that fill 2 times in a row. So the first fill sounds like this. The second 2 in a row sound like this. Next one after that is actually where he goes, and he does a whole bunch of climbing and stuff. We'll get to that next week. So just focus on that fill. It sounds like this.